Hi everyone, Eugene here at Panasonic Europe, and in this quick video tutorial I wanted to show you how you can use the RAW editing function in the LUMIX Lab app. I've got a beautiful L10 camera here, so we're going to take a RAW photo, we're going to transfer it to my smartphone by using the LUMIX Lab app, we're going to edit it and we're going to export it so we can post it to our social media. So let's get started. Moving over to the camera here, I have the camera set to RAW, right? So this is the main thing we want to demonstrate today. We're going to take an image, that's it, and then of course we're going to go and open our Panasonic LUMIX Lab app here and open that, and of course I already have a library of some of the images that I have taken before. And by the way, you can actually edit some of the raw images that you already created even with other devices, not just with Panasonic. Just a small note there. And then what we need to do is just go to camera briefly to make sure that we are actually connected to the camera. As you can see here, I'm connected to this beautiful L10. Of course, if you're not getting this connection screen right away, the application will actually guide you through the setup process. So all you'll need to do is basically go onto the camera, turn on Bluetooth, and then from that moment on, the application is going to guide you through the setup process. But anyways, in our case, we're already connected. So what we want to do from the camera is go to this transfer photo video option, select it, and you can see here the camera and the actual Wi-Fi is turned on so that we can transfer the image a little bit quicker. So I'm going to hit join, which connects to the camera via Wi-Fi now. And within a few moments, the camera goes under remote control and we get a gallery of all of the different images that we have on the camera. We're going to select the most recent one. We're going to select that with the checkbox here, and then we're going to download it. There we go. And within a few seconds, we have the image on the smartphone. Okay, once we've done that, we can get out of this menu. So just hit back one more time, and then go back to gallery. And as you can already see, within the gallery, we have the image that we just downloaded. And here we go. We have the image here in the gallery. And in order to edit it, all we need to do is go to this option here at the bottom, select that. That will load the editor. And from this moment on, you can do pretty much anything you would do in any other editing software. So we can set the exposure. Let's say we want to make this a little bit brighter. There we go. We can then set the brightness, contrast. Let's say I can see that there are some details lost in the highlights. So I'm going to bring the highlights down a little bit. Going to increase the shadows. Maybe take down the black level for a bit more contrast. All right, and you get the idea. So basically you can just go through all of these different settings. You can also jump through different sections a little bit easier with the panel here on the left. But let's just pretend we're happy. We got this set up. We've got all the colors, the brightness, everything we wanted to do, and we're ready to actually save this. The next thing we would need to do is go to the option here on the right, select that. We can actually choose a specific file format that we want to export to. We'll just leave it as is. And then all we need to do is click on save. This will export the image to our gallery, and then we can post it to social media. As simple as that. So hopefully you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.